Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can remove your Amazon Echo Buds from your Amazon Alexa application. First of all, you have to go for the devices, then you go for Echo and Alexa, and you select your Echo Buds. Next you have to scroll down at the bottom and click to forget device. Click to forget. And as you can see, we easily get rid of that Echo Buds second generation on our iPhone. But that's how you can do this. When you go back, let me show you, you will find out that they just simply disappear. When you go for the devices and Amazon Alexa, there is no anymore this earbud. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.